Hello followers of my channel, welcome to today's tutorial. In the last tutorial we have seen ways of our websites that help us to download Landsat image or land uses this Landsat data for image classifications. So for today's tutorial we will see how to download an a Landsat image from this gloVis as well as Earth Explorer websites. Okay, therefore for the first method, that is from gloVis, you can search using gloVis in such a way by writing. After that you can get the homepage of this gloVis, the gloVis website, then click on this. Okay, after that if you are not logged into your account, you should have to log in into your account, since I have showed you how to register or create your own account. After that, click on this launch gloVis in full screen mode. Click on these icons. Okay, and you can see some structures. For instance, there are choose your own data sets. I would like to show maybe the global land survey or Landsat 1 out of 5 class 1 level 1 in the likes, Landsat 7 or Landsat 8 images and the likes. Okay, and also should have to specify the metadata filters here. Okay, the date ranges, the starting and ending date. You may have an interest to download an image between some years. Okay, so you may search in such cases. We can specify the cloud covers. Okay, the cloud cover, and also you can select the months, for what months you want to classify or prepare your land cover maps. And also under the top you have the location here. You can specify the latitude and longitudes of your study area, and after that you can directly get your locations in such a way. Okay, we can see the water resource system paths or rows since in this case, and also these skin IDs and the likes. Therefore under this data set should have to specify this Landsat 8 or 7 in the likes. Okay, sorry. Okay, sorry for the interruption. And after you have specifying the data set, for instance for my case I am specified this Landsat 8. You can activate or deactivate this data set, and I have after I have doing this selecting this dataset type on the metadata, you can select the date. Okay, the starting as well as the ending dates. Good. Therefore you can specify, for instance, from 2070, let me from 2070, sorry, 2070 up to 2022 maybe. Okay, let me select this one to 21, and we can have an option to specify this cloud cover, or we can use the default one. And you can select the months. When you are selecting the months, you should take care. Okay, so if you have an interest to get a cloud free Landsat maps, you should select a month which is cloud free. Therefore, for instance, the months March, April, and the likes are cloud free months. Therefore, we can select that. But those summer seasons, June, July, August, September, and the likes are cloudy months. Therefore, you can select cloud free months. For instance, this one, let me select February, and after that you can also specify the locations of your study area. Before you are adjusting those things, you should give the latitude and longitudes of your study area. For instance, for this tutorial, I have specified, or I have an interest to download a Landsat around Bahardar. So I have specified this latitude and longitude. If you have the latitude and longitudes of your study area, you can use that one for reference purpose. Therefore, let me give this latitude and longitude. Therefore, the latitude is 16. I hope. I mean 11.602 and 37.322. Okay, then jump to the location. You see, it directly indicates your locations, and it has rotating to find your locations and scenes. This one is one scene. Okay, one scene that covers your interest, and you have seen that 3 scenes match your criteria. It says, you see, if you see here, inside this scene there is Lake Anna. Okay, those are rivers, by the way. Those are the rivers. This one is by river, and around this there is the Great Renaissance Dam. Alright, it is Gondar. Okay, this is the scene. You can observe that. You can observe the Landsat image in such a way. So after that, you can see the previous and the next scenes. Those are the 2 images. You have 2 images, available images. You can see each one by one, 3 scenes. Okay, this one is the second one, this one is the third one. If you see these white color indicators, the clouds. Therefore, you should have to download cloud-free Landsats. Alright, cloud-free Landsats. Therefore, this one has a cloud. If I have an interest to do my research around this Koga reservoir, this one is Koga reservoir, by the way, this one. Therefore, my map or my land cover may have an effect affected by this cloud. Therefore, I may reject this part, and let me see the second one. It has also some effects. What about this? I hope this one is the right one. It is cloud free around this area. Therefore, I have after that I would like to download it. By pressing on this download, I can download these Landsat images. Okay, therefore we can download Landsat image from this gloVis in such a way. We can see the scene under this. Okay, this Landsat 8. This indicates the the year 2021 02 20. This one is the date, this one is the month, and this one is the year of the Landsat images. Okay, this is one of the way of downloading your Landsat images. By clicking on this download, you can get your Landsat images. Okay, let us see the Earth Explorer method. This one is the Earth Explorer method of finding or downloading a satellite image, and you can search, you can write in such a way. You can write in such a way Earth Explorer and search in such a way. Go to this Earth Explorer, and under this, under this, you may have you should have to also log into your account, since you can't download the image without registering or without logging into your account. Okay, you cannot have an access. Therefore, to download your images from this Earth Explorer, the first thing is filling or finding your search criteria. Click on this search criteria, and you can see different things under this. For instance, there is geocodes here, and also after that you can select the feature or address or places, paths or rows, and the likes. And also you can upload KML or shape files here. You can upload a KML file. I think you know about KML file, and also shape file, but it has a size specification, or the megabyte should be small, so you should adjust that one. So you can, if you have an interest to upload a KML file, go to the select file, and you can select your KML files, and in such a way we can upload your KML files in such a way. Okay, so for today I would like to show you based on the address or place. Okay, so add a place here. In order to add a place, you can write. For instance, I would like to download a Landsat from around Lake Tana basin, or Lake Tana. So Lake Tana. If I have saying Lake Tana Ethiopia, it may be available in Ethiopia only, if you know that. So if you say show, okay, if you say show, you can get the Lake Tana Ethiopia latitude and longitude. This one is the latitude and longitude. Therefore, simply click on this Lake Tana. Okay, click on this Lake Tana, and you see that the mark here is visible now. This one is the Lake Tana, and similarly, my interest is conducting a research on or maybe on Koga watershed. This one is Koga Dam. You can observe that this is Koga Dam. Therefore, my interest is working or conducting research on Lake Tana, around Lake Tana, which is the Koga reservoir. Therefore, to do that, I would like to add a coordinate here. Okay, add coordinate. I am saying you can insert your latitude as well as latitude in degree, minute and second, or longitude in degree, minute and second, and the likes. You can add. It is one option. And also you can use maps. Okay, you can use maps. For instance, if I have an interest, use maps in such a way. And if I have zoom in, you can see this one is the scene. Okay, this one is the scene what I want to download for this area. You can modify this one. If I have an interest to increase the land use Landsat coverage, you can expand in such a way. You may have an interest in such a way. Therefore, I have selected the study area in such a way. And also we can adjust the date range here. You should have to adjust the date range by clicking on this part. You can select the years and the months here, and also the ending date. Okay, for instance, let me select up to 2021. Okay, 2021 0401 2021. Sorry. Therefore, we have adjusted starting and ending date. You can adjust the cloud cover here. Okay, you can adjust the cloud cover. For instance, cloud cover range is 0% to 100% says. You can adjust that, and also you can see result options. Okay, result options under this cases, and you can adjust different things in such a way. And similarly, you should have to select the months. For instance, you can select January, February, and the likes. So let us select the February for this case, and click on this data set. After that, you should have to select your own data set. As we have seen on the gloVis, we have selected the Landsat 8 image imaginary. Therefore, to select the Landsat image, you should have to go to this Landsat, this one, Landsat, and Landsat 8 is available under Landsat collection to level 2. You see, Landsat 8 up to 9 is now available at the moment, and click on this one under this, and you can proceed. Okay, we can proceed or see the results. By the way, we can also download digital elevations or DMs from this. Can see the digital elevation map, or we can also download aerial imaginaries and the likes. Therefore, go to this result here, and it's now searching. You see, those are the images which is captured in 2021. It says 2021 10 0 to 20. You see, this one is the date. This is the latest image. You can see this scene by pressing this one, but it has its own cloudy cover, and this doesn't touch my interest area, and I may not accept this one. And if you see this one, those are the imaginaries. You see, it is nice. And also let me see this one. Okay, so you can download each area that covers your study area. After that, you can do some mosaicing on ArcGIS to obtain your own Landsat image for your study area. And in such cases, after you are an interest to download, for instance, these maps, this map may cover your study area. If you see, okay, this one is I hope good image. Let me inactive this one. This is enough because it may covers my study area, which is Koga. Therefore, we can download this one. To download, press on this one. Go to this download. Now it is loading download options. Okay, product. Those are the options. So to download the zip file, you can click on this part, and you can get your Landsat images from Earth Explorers in such a way. And I hope it is very simple to download Landsat images from gloVis as well as Earth Explorers for the purpose of preparing or classifying a land use land cover maps. It may be for SWOT models or HMS model. Basically, for hydrological models, should have to prepare land use land cover map. Therefore, this is a ways of downloading Landsat images from Landsat 8. And it is enough for today's tutorial, and I hope you have got my ideas. If you have any question, please write under the comment section, and don't forget to share and like my channels, and please let us give value for water. We are losing our natural resources without proper use. Therefore, we can minimize those problems by conducting water related researches. Okay, so it is expected from us, and thank you for watching. Have a nice time. Bye.